Hi everyone, this is Islam Ibrahim from Tech Radar coming to you live from the unboxing area here at Jitex Shopper 2018. Right now we are going to unbox Neffos X9, the new smartphone from TP-Link. It's 5.99 display and have also 13 megapixel dual camera. So and all of this stuff you may be looking for. So let's get started. Here is you'll get Neffos X9 and there's a picture for it. Also on the back you have the specs like beautiful portrait, 13 megapixel dual camera, AI face unlock, 18:9 full view display, 5.99 HD plus IPS. Also you'll get 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB internal storage with octa-core processor from MediaTek. So let's begin with the unboxing. There's the phone. Okay. It's too hard to open. Yeah. Let's see what I have first here. This is for the dual SIM card. And here is the warranty and quick start guide, warranty notice and safety notice and quick start guide and the warranty. Also we have here the phone. Let's say what we have next. Oh, also we have here, screen guard. This is a screen guard for the phone, and also you will have this protective case for your phone, plastic protective case. Here we have the power brick and micro USB cable, and this is the headphone you will get with the phone. It looks premium, it looks good, and 3.5 of course. Nothing else here. Here is Neffos X9 AI face unlock. You have face unlock by the front camera and also have fingerprint unlock here. Also 13 megapixel dual camera. The second one is 5 megapixel camera, and you will get 8 megapixel front camera with 83-degree wide angle. Let's open it. As you can see here, there is Neffos brand, also the micro USB speakers and fingerprint, dual camera, LED flash, the buttons for volume and power button, 3.5 millimeter. And let's open the phone. It's 5.99 HD plus display with 2.5D Edge Plus. Here's Neffos. It works with Android Oreo 8.1. As you can see, here it is. It's quite good phone and display is very good. And you have polycarbonate. The back is made from polycarbonate, which is really good. It looks good. It is your new phone. Yeah, and that's all for this unboxing video. Stay tuned for more videos, or come down and see us right here at Jitex Shopper 2018. Bye.